In front of me is HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE, and let me show you how to block a number in this phone. So at first, let's open your phone dialer, then go to Contacts, and pick the contact that you would like to block. It can be, for example, Rita. Then tap on More, and here you will notice Block Contact. Smoothly mark it, and as you can see from now on, Rita is blocked, so she will not be able to reach you. Once you want to remove her from your blacklist, tap on More, and select Remove from Blacklist. Let's go back. And also, if you will open phone dealer again, tap on More icon, you can find here some further blocked rules. Just open Blocked, and here you can set some call or message block rules. So let me start with call block rules. Here you can block all incoming calls, you can block unknown numbers only, or private and withheld numbers. Then for messages there are a bit less options, you can only block unknown numbers here. But once the indicator is active, you will not receive any message from some blocked number of yours. And this is it. This is how you can block phone numbers, block contacts in your Enjoy 20 SE. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.